Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and in today's video I'm going to be making 2 Christmas wreaths using supplies from the dollar store. Everything I'm using today is from Dollar Tree, so both of these wreaths are super affordable and really cute for Christmas. I had so much fun making those 2 wreaths I shared with you in the fall that I knew I had to do it again for Christmas. Like I said, everything is from the dollar store, and both of these wreaths are so easy to make. Please give this video a thumbs up if you love Christmas and Christmas DIY videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And let's get into it! For the first wreath, I'm using this wire wreath form from Dollar Tree, along with this 15-foot garland, and a couple of these floral picks. One of these metal words from Dollar Tree. I ended up using peace. To make the wreath, I'm wrapping the garland all around the wreath form. Now I'm fluffing it up to fill up the whole wreath. You could glue down any of these decorations. I decided I didn't want it to be that permanent, so I'm just stuffing the stems through the wreath, and then I'll also be wrapping some floral wire around them just to help keep them in place. I'm using this Christmas ribbon to make a bow to put at the top of the wreath. To start with, I'm just making a normal bow, and then I'm making 2 extra loops just to make the bow a lot fuller. I'm using some floral wire I got at Dollar Tree to tie the bow to the top of the wreath. I played around a lot with these decorations, deciding where I wanted all of them to go. And what I love about this kind of thing is you can use whatever you have or whatever you can find to make any kind of wreath you want, and everyone's will look a little bit different, which is kind of fun. I'm using this floral wire to tie down all the different elements on the wreath. I'm just wrapping it around each of them and then tying it in the back. Now I'm adding some gold ribbon to the top so I have something to hang the wreath with. I'm going to hang both of the wreaths here just to show you what they look like. If you saw my last wreath video, you'll know I used a command hook on here before, but the wreath kept falling down, so I replaced it with a wreath hook. I got this one at Michael's for I think about $5 or $6, although a couple days later I saw the exact same one at Dollar Tree, so I would definitely check there first. If you really wanted to elevate this wreath to the next level, you could use 2 of the Dollar Tree garlands just to thicken it up. And I think it would also look really cute if you lightly spray painted it white to give it that flocked, snowy look. But I think it looks really pretty and Christmassy just how it is. For the next wreath, I'm using this grapevine wreath, which is actually the same wreath I used in my fall DIY wreath video. I just took out all the leaves and put them in a bag, and now I'm reusing it for Christmas. For this wreath, I'm using lots of these berries and leaves and pine cones I got at the dollar store. And I'm basically just going to shove them into the wreath as much as I can. And I'll also be using that floral wire again to tie down anything that needs a bit more securing. If you wanted this to be more of a permanent decor piece, you could hot glue everything down to make sure it stays in place. I decided not to do that, but I am going to use some hot glue to glue some of these different pieces to each other. I'd say the first wreath was a little bit more classic Christmas, and this one has a bit more of a woodland, free-spirited vibe. Some of the smaller pieces are hard to tie down with the wire, so I'm using a hot glue gun to glue them to the larger pieces. much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed both of these Christmas wreaths. Please let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and if you're planning on making either of them. I have several other Christmas dollar store DIY videos, so if you've missed any of those, be sure to check them out. And I'd love if you would subscribe to my channel and join the family here, and I'll see you next time!